The 84th problem, a journey to inner peace. Have you ever wondered why life always seems full of problems? No matter how hard we try, there's always something to fix, worry about, or resolve. Whether it's work stress, family drama, or even minor annoyances like running late to a meeting, life feels like a never-ending struggle to keep everything under control. But what if the real issue isn't the problems themselves? What if the key lies in how we perceive and respond to them? Imagine if peace wasn't about solving every problem, but changing our relationship with them. This profound shift in perspective is encapsulated in a Buddhist parable known as the 84th problem, a story that can transform the way we approach life's challenges. A tale of the 84th problem. Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived a farmer. He was a diligent man who worked tirelessly from sunrise to sunset, tending his crops and caring for his family. Yet, despite his efforts, life seemed to conspire against him. His crops failed due to bad weather, his family argued incessantly, and his neighbors gossiped behind his back. The farmer felt trapped, as if his life were a series of endless hurdles. One day, desperate for answers, he decided to seek out the Buddha, a teacher renowned for his wisdom. After a long journey, the farmer found himself in the Buddha's presence. Bowing respectfully, he poured out his frustrations. "Master, my life is full of problems. My crops fail no matter how hard I work. My family is always arguing, and even when I sleep, I'm plagued by bad dreams. Please, can you help me? Can you take away my problems?" The Buddha listened patiently, his expression calm and serene. After a thoughtful pause, he replied, "I cannot help you." The farmer was stunned. He had traveled so far, hoping for guidance, only to be told there was no solution. "Master," he pleaded, "surely there must be a way to fix my life. If you can't help me, who can?" The Buddha smiled gently and said, "Everyone has problems, my friend. In fact, all of us have 83 problems in life." The farmer was confused. "What do you mean, 83 problems?" The Buddha explained, "There are problems you can solve, like mending a broken tool or settling an argument. But there are also problems you cannot solve, like aging, sickness, and the loss of loved ones. These 83 problems are an inevitable part of life. No one, not even I, can take them away." Frustrated, the farmer asked, "Then what's the point of your teachings? If you can't rid me of my problems, why did I come to you?" The Buddha leaned in closer, his voice steady and kind. "The problem isn't the 83 problems," he said. "It's the 84th problem that causes your suffering." Perplexed, the farmer asked, "What is the 84th problem?" The Buddha replied, "The 84th problem is your desire to have no problems. Let go of this, and you will find peace." The wisdom behind the parable. The farmer's suffering didn't stem from life's inherent challenges, but from his resistance to them. By clinging to the belief that life should be free of problems, he created unnecessary suffering. When he understood this, his perspective shifted. Back in his village, the farmer still faced arguments, failed crops, and gossiping neighbors. But each time a challenge arose, he would remind himself, "This is one of the 83rd. And when he felt overwhelmed, he let go of the 84th problem, the yearning for a problem-free life. Applying the 84th problem to modern life. In today's fast-paced world, the lesson of the 84th problem is more relevant than ever. We're bombarded with stress, responsibilities, and societal pressures to achieve perfection. Social media showcases curated lives, making us feel inadequate when things go wrong. But the truth is, problems are inevitable. The 84th problem is our refusal to accept this reality. It's the belief that if we work hard enough or plan meticulously, life will run smoothly. This mindset leads to frustration and disappointment. So how can we let go of the 84th problem? 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness teaches us to stay present and accept life as it is. When challenges arise, instead of thinking, "This shouldn't be happening," acknowledge it as part of life's natural ebb and flow. 2. Distinguish pain from suffering. Pain is unavoidable. It's the 83 problems. Suffering, however, is a choice, a result of resisting life's imperfections. By accepting the 83 problems, we can minimize suffering. 3. Shift your perspective. View problems as opportunities for growth. A failure today might teach resilience for tomorrow. A difficult conversation could lead to deeper understanding. 4. Embrace change. Life is in constant flux. Instead of clinging to how things should be, learn to adapt and flow with life's changes. Finding peace amid chaos. The story of the 84th problem reminds us that true peace doesn't come from eliminating life's difficulties. It comes from embracing them as an inevitable part of the human experience. When we let go of the desire for a perfect life, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering and discover a deeper sense of calm. So the next time life feels overwhelming, remember the farmer and the Buddha's wisdom. Let go of the 84th problem, and you might just find that peace has been within reach all along. The wisdom of the 84th problem. Work stress, personal challenges, and the uncertainty of life often leave us feeling overwhelmed. Yet, within the ancient Buddhist parable of the 84th problem lies a lesson that can transform how we navigate life's ups and downs. The story begins with a farmer burdened by constant problems, failed crops, family disputes, and neighborhood gossip. Desperate for relief, he sought the Buddha's guidance. After listening to the farmer's woes, the Buddha explained, "Everyone has 83 problems in life. Some can be solved, while others, like aging or loss, cannot. But your suffering isn't caused by these 83 problems. It's caused by the 84th problem, your desire to have no problems." This simple truth was life-changing for the farmer, and it can be for us too. By letting go of the 84th problem, we shift our focus from resisting challenges to embracing life as it is. Applying the lesson 1. Accept the 83 problems. Challenges are inevitable. Instead of wishing them away, recognize them as part of life. When you face a difficult co-worker or an unexpected setback, remind yourself, this is one of the 83, and focus on what you can control. 2. Let go of control. Life often unfolds in unpredictable ways. Accepting what cannot be changed, like rain on an important day, frees you from frustration and allows you to adapt with grace. 3. Cultivate compassion. In relationships, disagreements are natural. Instead of expecting perfection, approach conflicts with understanding. Recognize that challenges in relationships are also part of the 83 problems. Face uncertainty with mindfulness. Life's unpredictability can be daunting, but grounding yourself in the present moment reduces anxiety. Practices like meditation or journaling can help you navigate the unknown with calm. 5. Shift to solution-focused thinking. Dwelling on problems amplifies suffering. Focus instead on actionable steps, and for the unsolvable, remind yourself that these too are part of life. 6. Reframe failures as lessons. Mistakes and setbacks can teach resilience and wisdom. Viewing failures as opportunities for growth helps you embrace imperfections instead of resisting them. 7. Practice gratitude. Even amid difficulties, there's always something to be thankful for. Gratitude shifts your perspective, making life's burdens feel lighter. Finding peace amidst life's imperfections. The lesson of the 84th problem reminds us that peace isn't about eliminating life's challenges, but about transforming how we respond to them. Problems are a natural part of being human, but suffering comes from resisting this truth. The next time you face a challenge, pause and think, this is one of the 83rd. Let go of the 84th problem, the yearning for a perfect life, and discover the peace that acceptance brings. Life, with all its flaws and beauty, is meant to be lived fully, one problem at a time. If you enjoyed this story and its powerful life lessons, don't forget to subscribe to Spiritual Motivation. Our channel is dedicated to sharing timeless wisdom, inspiring parables, and practical insights to help you navigate life's challenges with peace and clarity. Join our growing community, and let's embark on this journey of self-discovery together. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of inspiration. Remember, every step toward mindfulness brings you closer to the calm you deserve.